Hi. Basically, pretty very honest about the experiences they exploded. We were exquisite. Rather, Saroj came into our lives at the point like a rescue, more like a rescue thing, because there was the interior person in the previous when we were going ahead with, where last we meant the price when doubles the price, and there were a lot of issues with the conversations we had, and that we ended up calling Saroj more like a elder brother, asking him for his help. But it turned out that things really moved forward, and to be very honest, it moved forward really fast. Like within no time, it's been less than there's been a month.
We faced a problem. We called Saroj, and in the next 20 minutes, he was at a flight. We decided that okay, this is the budget and this is the work which we want to be done. The next day, we finalized things, and within the next couple of days, our first sitting, all the work started. So now, I think it's been 3 to 4 weeks now, and if you see, I mean, the false ceiling is completed, the lighting points are completed, 60% of the woodwork has been completed. Today, we were in a structure where he selected the laminate as well. And apart from that, the best thing what we liked about exquisite interiors and spaces is that the flexibility of changing the design. So I know it might be a problem for Saroj, but we have changed that design. We have changed a lot of things in our entire design, and he was very patient with us. Thanks again, Saroj, for that. And
also, just to add, one part of it with respect to interior side, one part of it is the workmanship, of course. But along with the workmanship, it comes with the person who is dealing with the clients. They need to have a lot of patience. They need to, like, customer service, client service becomes most important, and not a lot of people really recognize that. And I think Saroj was rightly able to capture that part. Because if we are able to really get that part right, rest of the things simply falls in place. And I think he's just not good with the clients. He's also amazing with his own workers, because given the way he treats his workers, even his workers are extremely excellent and they are top notch, and they are so street smart. I mean, to be very honest. I mean, that is.
So there were multiple issues. So we are very particular about the home's lighting, because we believe the better the lighting, the colors will come up more. So we had a lot of discussions with the carpenters and the false ceiling folks who are working here, and they were so much flexible, and whatever problem we gave them, in the next moment they were able to give us the solution, even if we didn't get the light points and all. So even the people who are working here are damn smart, and I would say they are the most experienced ones.
And typically smart people end up retaining and staying with you only when the boss is amazing, right? Otherwise, they will go as somebody else. So I think Saroj is doing a great job, and I believe like it's only the way above for him from here, and he great job.